to install my marker lights. I got me this wire stripper. It's quite a cool tool to use. Stripping the wires with it, and then I'm gonna put them into the holes. Once that is done, I will try to figure out which power line I'm going to use to power them up. But I'm first gonna put them, and then I'm gonna figure out where I'm gonna put them. So let's see how far I get. Okay, I have it this way around. You can't see it, so turn it around, put the wire in, and then strip it for you. Off. Do a little bit more. Oops. Come on. Okay, there you go. Okay, good. Okay. So that we have enough wire to tap it into the power line. So now do the same for the white one. Do piece by piece, because if you do all at once, you struggle to get the come now. Okay, that piece and that piece. You can take off that little piece and that little piece, and they have more than enough wire. And then yeah, I already stripped it there, so and then I just put the black to the black and the white to the red. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. The fifth one I will do as soon as I get the extra piece of fiberglass to fit at the back. So let's go for them. Let's see how it's gonna look. Okay, all installed, but now I don't know where to tap it in. Try to figure out where the power is in the back. That one has a lid that goes all the way to the back, so I can't tap it in. Or I can tap it in, but I don't know where. First time doing this. But yeah, I will have to look at this mess here. And here's my silencer on the ground. Okay, so I will need to figure out where I can just tap it in to test it. As you can see, from that one to this one, 60. I go with this one into another 60. That is the difference. So I'm gonna swap those two panels around and see how it will match up. Okay, side cover removed. Measuring from that hole up until there gives me more or less the length that I need to equal them all out on the side. So let's see how far I get. All the panels are painted. Okay, cool. Okay, while we're on the outside, there's my fairing. It's been laying in the truck since I bought it. Let me get that back on as well. Everything is now measured up. I swapped these two around. It looks perfect. So I think they had it the wrong way around. So yeah, so now my light will be measured equal on both sides. Now I just need to get this on first. This will take me 5 minutes, then we'll continue doing that lights on this side, lights on the other side, and then my plan is to use the power supplying this plug, which is here somewhere. So I will need to open this up and see how they tapped it in, and then we'll tap in either from here. Yeah, now I'll leave this plug. I will tap it in there as well, and then I will wire it, later cable to that side and across to the side. And I think I'm going to add a fuse on these lights as well, just in case something happens. Okay, cool. So let me get going with this side fairing. These ones come with the water. I'm not going to use these ones. Got these extra ones. Now just tighten them up. Okay, side fairing is back up. Both sides. Now I'm just going to look for those top ones to get that side closed up as well. So okay, panels are back on, lights are in. Just need to hook them up. One light missing, the side and the other side. But yeah, not a train smash. So yeah, everything looks good. Side panels look a bit more straight after I swapped it around because it was a bit up and down, a bit skew. Now it looks more straight. Just need to sort out the airbags or the leveling valve, then everything should be sorted. I removed these ones. I placed the cable back into the truck because I want to swap the cable around. I changed my mind. I'm not going to use the cable at the back. I'm going to hook it inside the dashboard somewhere with the fuse. Yeah. Side fairings are on both sides. It's looking good. So also another project that I'm busy with. I got this foot plate from, I can't remember the company's name, laser cutting company there in Malnet, Cape Town, international. With perspex at the bottom, yellow sticker to give that yellow glow when I switch on the LED lights. I also have a yellow, not a yellow, but I didn't want to go for the white because the white was going to be too white, so I went for more the faded one that gives a yellow effect when you switch it on. So once that is connected up, I will have this ugly carpet removed. We'll get me custom made carpet on the floor, and then this will look pretty nice. This boot will be removed. I have a new boot, and then I will cover this with a stainless steel pipe to make it look nice. Curing knob, since being South Africa, it's not easy to get the original knob. So on eBay and Takealot, not eBay and Amazon, they're not that expensive, but the shipping cost is 10 times more than what you pay for the damn item. But yeah, something for another day. I'm going to leave this here. The LED light is in the car, or the strip is in the car, so it's going to look nice once this is done. And then I just need to get my reading light sorted. It was working before it went to the mechanic. When it came back, it's not working anymore, so I don't know where. I tried to check the fuses, all the fuses are still working, so somewhere a wire went loose. But I still need to get into the dashboard as well, check out all the wires. I'm going to leave the toolbox over there. This I'm going to take with me. That I will need to throw away. Yeah, so this is all for the day. And then there's my bucky, my pickup truck.